Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. In today's video, we are going to talk about the best potting mix for orchid. Orchid is a special plant and so it needs special potting mix as well. Let's take a look how I do it. Here is one orchid plant which I collected from nursery and today I am going to repot it. It has nice aerial roots and also a flowering spike. Well, it's not a good idea to repot at this time as it already has flowering spike. Anyway, let's do it. For the potting mix, here are the components I am taking. 2 parts small pieces of coconut husk. Please avoid using coconut husk directly. Instead, soak them in water at least for 5 to 7 or more days. Clean it well and then only use it. We need to do this as there may be salt within the husk in case the coconut tree is growing close to the ocean. Next, 1 part pine wood bark. Third one is sphagnum moss. And last component is leca. If you like, you can also add 1 part wood circle. Next step is very important. We need to clean all these components with water and need to make it dust free. It would be much better if you can sterilize them. I have already cleaned them and now I am mixing it well. Please note all the components are available on Amazon and I would put the links in description box in case you also want to try. In fact, I myself bought them from Amazon except the coconut husk. Next, it's time to repot. Before that, removing the dried flowering spikes, sticks and the clips. We need to take out the plant from the current pot. I am doing it extremely carefully and trying my best not to damage any roots. Alright, came out very nicely. As we can see, the nursery people have used only coconut husk if I am not wrong. Next, removing the dried roots. Done and it's time to repot. For orchid, we also need special pot. The pot should have lots of holes so that aerial roots are exposed to the air. I collected this from nursery but available online as well. In case you don't want to buy, it's okay. Just take one plastic pot and make lots of holes. Pressing all the components very lightly just to support the plant. Finally, I am going to support the flowering spike. Not going to water today as everything is already wet. Done and hopefully my orchid is going to bloom nicely. I would post the updates very soon with all other caring tips. Like orchid, African violet is another indoor flowering plant and it also needs special potting soil mix. In case you want more details with all the updates, please do check out my next video. I hope you found this video useful and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.